Have you ever found yourself paralyzed by the what-ifs? What if something goes wrong? What if I fail? What if I can't fix it? That fear often leads to a relentless need for control. Control over people, situations, outcomes, even things we know deep down are beyond our reach. It's exhausting, isn't it? This constant tug-of-war between life's unpredictability and our desire for certainty. It leaves us feeling frustrated, stressed, and ultimately powerless, because the harder we try to hold on, the more things seem to slip through our fingers. But what if I told you there's another way, a way to trade stress and worry for peace and freedom? Today, we're going to explore why we cling so tightly to control, how it costs us more than it gives, and how we can begin the journey of letting go. Control feels safe. It feels like security in an unpredictable world, and for a moment it works. When you plan your day, triple-check your decisions, or try to manage how others behave, you might feel a sense of relief, like you've got it all under control. But the problem arises when life throws a curveball. Your perfectly planned schedule gets derailed. That thing you feared the most happens anyway. Or worse, no matter how hard you try, other people simply don't act the way you expect them to. Let's say you plan a dream vacation. You book everything meticulously, check the weather, pack all the essentials. But when you arrive, it rains for days, your luggage is delayed, and the trip feels ruined. You did everything right, but you couldn't control the uncontrollable. Or consider this. You work hard on a project and present it to your team, only for someone to criticize it unfairly. You can't control their reaction, but how often do we replay such moments in our minds, trying to figure out how we could have managed them better? This is the control trap, the illusion that we can master every detail of life. The more we cling to it, the more we set ourselves up for stress and disappointment. When you cling to control, it doesn't just affect your mental state. It affects your body, your relationships, and your overall well-being. Think about the last time you felt overwhelmed by everything going wrong. Maybe it was a missed deadline, an argument, or an unexpected bill. That tension you feel in your shoulders? That tightness in your chest? That's your body reacting to the stress of trying to control the uncontrollable. And then there's the impact on relationships. Trying to control others, whether it's how your partner communicates or how your kids behave, can create resentment. The harder you push, the more others push back, leaving everyone feeling frustrated. But here's a hard truth. No matter how much you plan, no matter how much effort you put in, you cannot control everything. And that's okay. Because letting go of control isn't about giving up. It's about finding freedom. The first step to letting go is understanding what's within your control and what isn't. This is where acceptance comes in. You might have heard the serenity prayer before. Grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. This isn't just a feel-good quote. It's a practical guide to navigating life's uncertainties. Imagine two circles. The inner circle is what you can control, your actions, your thoughts, your responses. The outer circle is what you can't control, other people's opinions, unexpected events, the past. When you focus on your inner circle, you conserve your energy for things that truly matter. For instance, in a job interview, you can control your preparation, your attitude, and how you present yourself. But you can't control the interviewer's decision. Accepting that distinction allows you to do your best without spiraling into unnecessary worry. Reframing is another powerful tool. Instead of thinking, "Why is this happening to me?" try asking, "What can I learn from this?" It's not about dismissing challenges, but changing how you respond to them. Letting go isn't a switch you flip, it's a habit you build. Here are a few practices to help you start. 1. Mindfulness. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on the present moment. Use your senses, notice the sounds, sights, and feelings around you. This helps pull you out of the cycle of overthinking and into the now. 2. Journaling. Write down your worries, then separate them into two categories: what you can control and what you can't. Physically cross out the uncontrollable items. It's a symbolic way of letting go. 3. Set realistic expectations. Not every day will go as planned, and that's okay. Learn to embrace flexibility and trust that things will unfold as they're meant to. 4. Gratitude. Shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It trains your brain to look for the good. Letting go doesn't mean giving up control over your life. It means giving up the illusion that you ever had control over everything in the first place. It's about trusting that no matter what happens, you'll find a way to navigate it. So the next time you feel the urge to micromanage or obsess, pause. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, is this something I can truly control? If not, let it go. Choose peace over perfection. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might need to hear it. Let's spread this mindset shift together, because everyone deserves a little more peace in their lives. Thank you for watching, and here's to embracing life just as it is. See you in the next video.